Good day, everyone. My name is Praisekeys on this one, and I'll be continuing from where I stopped in our previous class. If you're here, it therefore means you have watched my previous video where I taught how to identify the white keys on the keyboard. If you haven't, please click on the link and get a view of that. Now, to proceed on this, there are basically two keys on the keyboard, two colors of keys, which are the white keys and the black keys. And in this video, I will specifically talk about the black keys. Now, how can you identify the black keys? Don't forget, in my previous video, I taught you and I told you that there are um, there are pairs of two and threes on the keyboard. Two, three, two, three, two, three. There are pairs of two and three black keys on the keyboard. So when you approach a keyboard, the first thing you should look out for is the pairs of two, three, the pairs of two and three. And then I also taught you that the white key before the pair of two is key C. You understand? So you can begin to count your natural keys from there. Now, in this class, I'll teach you the functionality of the accidentals, which are the black keys. Now, the black keys on the keyboard help to sharpen or flatten the natural keys. It therefore means the black keys solely rely on the magnitude of the white keys, which are the natural keys, to get their name, to get their expression. You understand? The accidentals either sharpen or flatten the natural keys. The accidentals either sharpen or flatten the natural keys. It's as simple as that. For an example, if we have a key of C, therefore means the accidental either makes it C sharp or C flat. That's if there's anything like that. If we have all the natural keys, the accidental there, what they do is basically to increase it by a semitone or to reduce it. Now, simply put, if there is an accidental immediately after a natural key, I mean, if there is a black key immediately after a white key, it increases it. It becomes a sharp. You understand? It increases it and makes it become a sharp. Let's say this is C, and we are ascending the keyboard, and there is an accidental immediately after it. That accidental takes the name of this natural key. So this becomes C sharp. Don't get it twisted. If this is C, this becomes what? C sharp. And of course, this is D. So the accidental immediately after it becomes what? D sharp. And then this is E. Is there anything like E sharp? No, because there is no accidental immediately after it. Please don't forget the term immediately after. What is immediately after E? F. So there's nothing like E sharp. So we have F. Now proceeding, there is a black key immediately after it. Wow. So this becomes F sharp. And then we have G. We are still proceeding. There's a black key immediately after it. So this becomes G sharp. And then we have A. Then we have A sharp. And then we have B. And then we have C. You understand? So we're starting from C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E. There's nothing like E sharp because there's no accidental immediately after E. We have F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, and C. So that's how accidentals actually sharpens natural keys. That's how they sharpen it. They make it, they increase it by just a tiny bit. And trust me, that's how it goes on in the keyboard. So if you have your keyboard there, kindly locate any key. You can start from C and then begin to give the keys on the keyboard a name. Begin to understand them. We have C, we have C sharp, we have D, D sharp, we have E, we have F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, and then we have C. So that's that for the sharp. On the next class, I'll teach you how these accidentals reduces or flattens this key. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, share and engage in this video, and share the people that want to learn too. Let's create a community. You'll be very good. Just follow my classes.